Hello, dear students. How are you today? Hope you're doing fine. My name is David Uduafem, and I'm here to teach you farm insects. Farm insects in basic science and technology. At the end of this class, you should be able to define beneficial insects. Beneficial insects, mention some functions of beneficial insects and examples of beneficial insects. Beneficial insects, what are they? They are insects that perform vital function of the environment through pollination, soil aeration, breaking down dead materials and waste, feeding wildlife, devouring harmful insects, and producing products that benefit humans, such as honey and silk. What is this pollination we're talking about? Pollination is the act of transferring pollens, the pollen grains, from the male anther, as you can see, to the female stigma. Take note, the pollen grain from the male anther to the female stigma, and that is the way they produce fruits and they make the seeds expand, the fruits are produced, more flowers are produced. They help in producing more plants, just like planting, right? Propagation of plants, to plant more, or to make those fruits, those flowers to turn to fruits. All right, flower will form, then you see fruit coming out under it. Okay, so plants that produce fruits, right? Then what about soil aeration? Soil aeration, this is the act of making air, water, or gases to enter the soil. In that way, the soil will be fertile, and it can be done with machines. As you can see, the mower, whether mower or with mower with spikes or tractors. It could be done manually, and insect health, worms help also. And anywhere you see worm in the ground, that means that ground is fertile. You can plant there and to grow well. They help in breaking down dead materials and wastes. So you see dead animals there. They will help us in breaking them down. Before you know it, the ground becomes fertile for planting. They help in feeding wildlife. They help in feeding wildlife because, of course, if they're not fed, they will die. So the food humans usually use to feed those wildlife is not nutritionally complete, and they can cause serious health problems for the animals, especially when they are young and still growing. That is gotten from PAWS Wildlife Platform. They help in devouring harmful insects. As you can see, that's play mat is doing. Pitch uh, that fly. That's a fly. It picked the fly is dangerous for human, and it picked it and killed it. Right? They help in producing products that benefit human. We have products like that, like honey from honeybee, and we have silk. So there are silk plants, silk material. So we have silk plants, silk insects. Then we also have honeybees, and we get from them silk or honey. Now, examples of beneficial insects, we have ladybugs, ground beetles, minute minute pirate bugs, minute pirate bugs, green lace wings, green lace wings, aphid mites, aphid midges, damsel bugs, damsel bugs, braconid wasp, braconid wasp. Good. I believe you've learned something. You learned about the definition of beneficial insects, their functions, and examples of beneficial insects. I'll ask you try and recall all these things. Can you define them now? Can you mention some of the benefits, some of the functions of those beneficial insects, and give examples of beneficial insects? Try and do that. Good. Thank you for listening and see you in the next class. Bye for now.